Hello, welcome to another Computer Terms for Beginners video. Today we will be focusing on Term 7, GPU. GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit. These units are used in embedded systems, smart cellular phones, personal computers, business workstations, as well as game consoles. GPUs take the processing computations that your computer calculates and converts or translates the resulting information into a video signal. There are two types of GPUs, integrated and dedicated. Integrated GPUs are chips typically soldered onto a motherboard, whereas a dedicated GPU is a separate device plugged into one of the motherboard's PCI lanes. That is it for today's computer terminology for beginners. If you liked the video, go ahead and push the like button and push the subscribe button for more terms for beginners. If you want to catch last week's term for CPUs, you can go ahead and click on the video on the left. If you want to go ahead and check out the entire playlist, go ahead and click on the link to the right. And please stay tuned for next week's episode for PCI.